Stay out of my way, Hiccup.
I wouldn't.
I can't imagine a world with you gone. The joy and the chaos, the demons.
I'm not listening to anything you have to say.
Then I won't speak.
If you left me
Just let us show you.
Please, yourself
Astrid.
in the bathroom, lying on the floor when I break through. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming? Please don't leave me. Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hand, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life.
And that's for
Hold
everything else.
on, I still need
So if something goes wrong in there, just don't get involved.
long endless highway.
I'm the first Viking in who knows how long who wouldn't kill a dragon.
In a nightmare I can't escape from.
First arrived on the dock.
Helplessly praying, the light isn't fading. Hiding the shock and the chill in my bones. They took you
Astrid,
away on the table.
We have to think this through.
Pace back and forth as you lay still. They pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming? Please don't leave me.
Then,
Hold
what do we do?
on, I still want